Hello friends, how are you? So in this video I'm going to show you how to download Red Hat Linux on your computer. So this is the link. I will just copy it and paste it in the notepad so that you could have a proper view on the link, as well as I will keep it on the description, so you can just go to the description below and copy the link. So here is the link. I will just maximize the font size. Okay, so now it is properly visible to you. Anyway, you can get it from the description below, as I told you earlier. So let's get started, and I will just go to this link. So I have already pasted it into the URL, and this is the page what you will get after going to that link. So as you could see, the latest version is reflecting here, and this is RHEL 8.0.0. So you could just download it by clicking on this red button. Anyway, I'm going with the older version. I will download the RHEL 7.5 edition. So here it is. Here you need to download DVD ISO image. So just click on it. But after clicking on it, it will ask to log in into the account to download this. So here it is asking for the email ID or the user ID. So just to show you, I am just putting an email ID here, and it will just verify this email ID, whether this email ID is existing with this account or it has been registered or not. So this account doesn't exist. So I'm going to create a new account. Just click on create a new account. And here you need to enter the ID, which is going to be your permanent user ID. So just be careful while creating this ID, because this will be the permanent user ID or whatever, the username of this Red Hat account. So just read the instruction and fill up all the details. As I'm doing here, I'm putting the email address once again, and here it is asking for the first name and the last name. So I'm entering my first name and the last names. And company, in case of company, I'm not running a company. I'm not downloading this OS for any company. So I will just put it as an individual. And here it is asking for the password. So you should read the password terms and condition. It might be alphanumeric. So it is asking for the password to should have these things. And now you need to check this box for proceeding to the next step. So I will just click on next. And this will be the next step. Here it is asking for your phone number. Just provide your phone number. So because this field is mandatory, as you could see, it is marked with the star mark is there, the red asterisk mark is there. So you need to put these details. So in the address, I will just provide a short address here. Address line 2 is not required. City, Bangalore, and state will be Karnataka. So you need to fill it with your own information. And postal code, that is also mandatory, as you could see. And then click on create my account. So it is just refreshing the page. You need to wait until the page get refreshed. So here you could see email address verification step is in front of you. So let me check my email in my phone. So this is my phone. I got the email, as you could see here, and I need to click here to proceed. So I will touch this thing to proceed, and your email address has been verified. So now it has been verified. Now I will click on login button. Oh, page has expired, so I will just click here to log in again freshly. So here my username is already there, so I will proceed for the next step. So this time it is verified that this user is existing. So I'm just putting the password what I have created during the account creation. Okay, so I am logged in, and my downloader fetched this file, so I can start the download. So as you could see, I can download it now, and here is the message: thank you for downloading Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So now I can download any operating system or any operating system related to Red Hat. You can see my username, that's Piyush Prasoon, and that's it. So my account is created. I have clicked on start download to start the downloading process. Okay, I need to click on no. So here it is. But I'm having this version already in my laptop. That's why I have cancelled it. So I will just go with the another version, I think. So here you can have several options. You can just navigate to several options. I don't want to do this now because it will take some more time, and I will just download the latest version of RHEL. So I have clicked on it, and this is the latest version of RHEL, and I will download this. Definitely I will go with this. So it will take some time. You can go with any version of RHEL. Okay, this is some prompt message. I need to click no every time. So here it is downloading. It will take some time. So I think you know about this tool. This is Internet Download Manager. So I'm using this tool to download anything in my computer. So it is really fast and it is working very properly. So in the same manner, you could download any version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux into your system and use it to install in your computer or in the VMware or in Oracle VirtualBox, anywhere. In case you are having any doubt, please do comment in the comment section below. And if you're having any recommendation for my next video, I would love to have your recommendation, and I will try my best to implement it in my next video, I mean the upcoming videos. That is it. And if you find this video helpful, please do like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for the latest videos. And you could press the bell icon so that you could get the notification as soon as I upload any video on my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.